Today, jury selection for the trial of Kouri Richins began in Summit County, despite her attorney's best efforts. Richins is accused of fatally poisoning her husband Eric with fentanyl in March of 2022. Fox 13 News Summit County reporter Carolina Hassett was there for today's jury questions and takes us behind the courtroom doors. Carolina, what has this process looked like so far?
Kouri Richins was present in the Park City courtroom on Tuesday. Very tedious questioning process on the first day of jury selection. The challenge has been finding her a fair trial since Summit County is so small, and you can tell lawyers are focused on finding any little detail that could indicate bias. Now, the questioning was done remotely, and Richins was seen taking notes on the side. To start off, the judge asked potential jurors 4 questions: if they've heard about the case in the media, if they did any online research about the case, if they discussed the case with anyone else, and if they recognized anyone in the courtroom. From there, the defense and prosecution took over, asking them personal questions like what they did for work, personal interactions with law enforcement, how they feel about the legal system, and whether or not those answers would impact their ability to serve on the jury. Occasionally, the judge would interrupt if he felt the questions weren't being asked fairly. The defense made it a point to ask almost every candidate whether Richins' decision to testify or not would impact their ability to reach a fair verdict. At the end of questioning, the defense and prosecution would decide whether or not they wanted to pass that candidate or strike them. They would strike if the person admitted to researching the case, there was a conflict of interest, or their answers worried them. The judge had the final say of who would be moving forward with the process. The court heard from more than 25 potential jurors on Tuesday. They were told not to discuss it until they were excused, and they should receive an email whether or not they were selected by next week. Now, this could be a very long trial with up to 46 potential witnesses, and it could run for 5 weeks. In Summit County, Carolina Hassett, Fox 13 News, Utah.